Cars break down, engines fail, but people still need to get to work. That's where mechanics come in. And if you start young, you can build a stable, well-paying career before you even turn 20. From oil changes to engine diagnostics, a mechanic's job is part science, part craftsmanship. It's not just turning wrenches, it's solving problems under pressure. To become a great auto mechanic, you need more than just a wrench and a good attitude. You'll need sharp attention to detail, to catch the small things others might miss. Strong problem-solving skills, to figure out what's wrong and fix it fast. Physical stamina, because you'll be on your feet working with your hands all day. Time management, to stay efficient and get cars back to their owners on schedule. And just as important, good communication, because explaining repairs to customers builds trust and professionalism. Mastering these skills early will set you apart. You don't need a 4-year degree. Start with online videos, community college classes, or even shadow a mechanic. The key is start doing. Getting certified, like ASE, can level you up fast. Or take the apprenticeship route, learning while getting paid. When people think about becoming a mechanic, they often mention tools or fixing engines. But what they don't always mention are the skills that make a mechanic truly great, like attention to detail, patience, and the ability to solve problems under pressure. These are just as important as knowing how to use a wrench. When people think about becoming a mechanic, they often mention tools or fixing engines. But what they don't always mention are the skills that make a mechanic truly great, like attention to detail, patience, and the ability to solve problems under pressure. These are just as important as knowing how to use a wrench. If you like solving problems, working with your hands, and being self-reliant, this might be the career for you. Start learning now. Practice every week, and in 2 years, you won't just have a job, you'll have a skill for life. When you're just starting out, the tool aisle can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, you don't need everything at once. Start simple. A basic socket wrench set, screwdrivers, a floor jack, and a pair of sturdy gloves. Over time, you'll add more, like a multimeter for electrical diagnostics, a torque wrench, and a reliable toolbox. If you're smart, you'll learn to take care of your tools. Because a good mechanic doesn't just know how to fix cars, he knows how to respect his equipment, too. If you really want to level up, certifications can open doors. The ASE certification is the gold standard. It shows employers you know your stuff. You can also look into manufacturer-specific training, like for Honda, Toyota, or Ford. But if school's not your thing, don't worry. Apprenticeships let you learn directly from experienced mechanics while getting paid. Think of it like getting your education in the real world, not just the classroom. Let's talk money. As an entry-level mechanic, you might start around $30,000 to $40,000 a year, but as you gain experience, that can grow to $60,000 or more. Some mechanics go on to open their own shops, work for dealerships, or even teach the next generation. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building something solid for the long run. This career isn't always glamorous. You'll deal with grease, busted bolts, extreme weather, and long hours on your feet. Some days, a single stubborn part can ruin your whole schedule. But if you push through, each challenge makes you sharper. The real reward isn't just the paycheck. It's the pride of fixing something real with your own 2 hands. Being a mechanic doesn't mean you're stuck in one place. Many go on to specialize in electric vehicles, performance tuning, or even open mobile repair businesses. Some work with racing teams, others restore classics, and a few even start their own YouTube channels teaching what they've learned. When you master this craft, the road ahead is wide open. So if you're 18 and ready to build something real, why wait? Start with small repairs. Learn from every mistake. Practice